Welcome to Quick Concepts for Math 76. Today we're going to talk about the number line and what we can do with it. So if I were to ask you to arrange these numbers in order from least to greatest, we could actually use a number line to do it. So the greatest number would come over here. The least number would come here. Just a little bit closer would be that. So we could actually write it out like this to show what order they're in using a number line. Also, if we were going to compare numbers, when you compare numbers, you can use three symbols. You use the equal sign. For instance, 4 is equal to 4. You use the greater than sign, and that would be saying 5 is greater than 4, and you use the less than sign. And you would say 3 is less than 4. So in other words, you're going to read from left to right. This is equals, this is greater than, this is less than. So 4 equals 4, 5 is greater than 4, and 3 is less than 4. So let's try a couple problems to see how you do. Let's compare 16 divided by 8 divided by 2 with 16 divided by 8 divided by 2. So here, if I said 16 divided by 8, I would get 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now here you're going to have to use your order of operations. So I'm going to say 8 divided by 4 is 4, or 8 divided by 2 is 4, excuse me, and then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now we're comparing 1 and 4, and I can see that 1 is less than 4. So what if I were just asking you to compare 5,012 with 5,102. So I always like to think of it in terms of money. Would I rather have $5,012 or $5,102? And I would rather have the 5,102. It is greater. So let's try a couple more. 2 times 3 compared to 2 plus 3. So this is going to be 6. This is going to be 5. 6 is greater than 5. So we use a greater than sign. We were going to put these in order from least to greatest. Again, would you rather have 12 cents, $12, or $1.20? I would much rather have $12. That's going to be the greatest. They want us to put it from least to greatest. So I'm going to put it down here. And then probably next would be $1.20, and then lastly would be 12 cents. And that is it on comparisons.